you want to turn long form content into TikToks, shorts or reels and save countless hours in editing, then Opus Clips can help you do this. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through Opus Clips step by step, from generating clips to editing them with AI. By the end, you'll go from raw footage to publish ready clips. Once you log in, this is a dashboard that you'll be presented with. The cool thing about Opus Clips is that you can include a bunch of links such as YouTube, Rumble, Twitch, or even Dropbox. In our example, we will choose a video from Speed, which we can paste right here, and then you'll see a preview of the video that you have selected. As you scroll down, you will notice 3 different clip models: Clip Basic, Clip Anything, and Auto. Clip Basic is great for clipping talking head videos. Clip Anything is the smartest model on Opus Clip. It works great for any video. Or you can just choose Auto and let AI choose the best model for it to work. You can also go in here and select the genre your video is about. I'm going to choose Auto as I want Opus Clip to handle this for me. You also have clip length to choose from, which goes on to 15 minutes if you want. For my project, I don't want the videos to be too long, but I want them to be long enough, so I'm going to go for 30 seconds to 59 seconds. Another cool feature on Opus Clip is that I can include a specific moment I want from the exact video. For example, if I want to include all the clips of Speed shouting in this video, then I can prompt it in this exact text box. And if you're not sure how to prompt this, you can click on learn more. Or if you want me to go through this further, let me know in the comments down below. And then you come on to processing time frame, which lets you choose how much of the video you want clipped. For my example, I'm going to choose to clip it for 10 minutes. As you scroll down, you will come to your captions, and there are many to choose from. You also have new captions that you can test out with your videos. But for my example, I want to stick to karaoke as I think this will do really well. I'm also going to choose my aspect ratio of 9:16 so we can upload this on Reels and TikTok. After you're done playing with the settings, you can now click this button and it will generate your clips. A cool feature on Opus Clip is that you can auto import videos from YouTube directly from your channel, and Opus Clips will take this and convert them into social ready clips to go viral. This will save you time and streamline your workflow, and instead you can be working on your next ideas. Connecting your YouTube account is done right inside Opus Clip, so you don't have to worry about that. As for the video that we're waiting on to get the clips, we can see that it's taking another 5 minutes for it to be generated. This doesn't mean you have to stare at your screen. Instead, Opus Clip sends you an email instantly as soon as this is ready. Now that our video has generated, we can go in and click on this. What you'll now be presented by is a bunch of clips for you to analyze. As you can see, each clip is scored using a virality rating, which means it's the likelihood that the video will go viral on TikToks, Reels and Shorts. The scores are based out of 100 for the virality rating. As you scroll down below, you can see the rating reduce. We can go in and select this video as it's gotten a score of 99, which means it's got virality potential. You'll see a caption that's included in this clip along with scores for the hook, flow, value and trend. If you want to add something, you can also edit your clips. You can click any of your words to edit, adjust or instantly generate a B-roll. You can also adjust your hook so you can get the best retention rate. You also have AI Enhance, which makes your audio clearer, and just like any other editing software, you have timeline editing, which you can adjust scenes, delete layouts, and extend or trim with ease. You can also choose from layout options like fill, fit, or split, and I'll be showing you this. A feature that's being used a lot recently is the tracking feature, which selects the subject that you want to track. An AI will recognize this and center it for your frame. So let's say a person is running in the video, AI will make sure it captures the exact person. Once you go into AI Enhance, you can also remove filler words and remove pauses from your video. You can auto generate AI B-roll to make your video look even more better, or you can use a stock B-roll. As you scroll down, you can also select AI emojis to put in your videos. A feature that I like to use is speech enhancement, which removes any background noise or even music. Going into captions, we can again change the captions that we're not happy with. For example, we can go to pop line. Go ahead and move around your captions so you can make sure you're in the safe zone. You also have so many fonts to choose from that match your style. Let's change this to Montserrat. Opus Clips uses AI to highlight keywords in your clips, and you can select the colors for these. Or if you're not happy with the keywords, you can edit them in the transcript. You can also go ahead and upload your images and videos from your presets. And you have brand templates to make sure your style is consistent throughout. Let's go ahead and auto-generate an AI B-roll in the B-roll section. Let's click play to see what this looks like. In my opinion, this has worked really well as the AI B-roll has correlated with the text below. It has also added a B-roll in another part of the video. This enhances the effect it has on your retention rate. We can also use an AI hook, and for the example I've said, welcome to gymnastics 101 with speed. I can also select a speaker voice that I want. I will be keeping this as Adam. Let's generate our AI hook. You can see the AI hook is inserted at the start of the clip. I can also go ahead and put in a text overlay on the video so viewers can get hooked. And if you want to bring in your own fonts, you can also do this by uploading this to custom fonts. So you can match the TikTok and Instagram reel style that you want. You can also play with the layout to see what you prefer. In this example, we've got fit. And in this example, we've got fill. But if you're going for a podcast style clip, you'll be selecting split or even 3 if there are 3 people there. This will further enhance the clip that you produce. You can go ahead and select the video and zoom in or move the video around however you like. If you want music that isn't copyrighted, you can go ahead in music and select any of these that will work just fine. And if you like it, you can just hit the add button and it will come in the timeline. You can drag this further ahead if you'd like, or even extend it. On your top right, you have the volume control for the sound and the control for the speed of the song. And don't forget to apply the setting to all. After you're happy with your clip, you can go ahead and export this. Just click on download HD. Or if you prefer, you can go ahead and publish this straight on your socials by connecting your social accounts. Once you've gone ahead and connected your YouTube or TikTok accounts, you can go into your analytics and track your live account views and any other insights that will help you in the future. If we go ahead and look at their pricing plans, you can see that there is a starter plan, which you can also use as a free trial. Or you'll be stuck on free forever plan, which is limited to 60 credits per month and has a watermark. Also, after 3 days, the clip will no longer be exportable. And most of the features that I have shown you on this video are on the paid plans. So for that, I would recommend you go for the Pro plan. And if you go ahead with the yearly option, you will save up to 60% with your annual billing. The only difference with the starter and Pro plan is with the Pro plan, you will have AI B-roll, which you can include in your videos, and you can also export this into your Adobe Premiere Pro. And you can also use the social media scheduler tool, which will further enhance and save your time. And you will have everything you need in order to make the best clips possible. Now, if you want to try Opus Clips yourself, you can find this link in the description where you can also find a free trial. And once you like it, you can upgrade to a paid plan. If you have any questions, let me know down in the comments and I will answer them for you. If you've enjoyed this tutorial, then make sure to leave a like down below and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video.